Hi all, welcome to our Linux command series. Today we will check how we can change or create permission of our Linux file. To check this, we will learn about below commands: change zone, change group, and change mode. Change zone means changing the ownership of the file. Okay, change group uh, means changing the group permissions of the files and or the directories. Change mode basically is changing the access permissions like read, write, execute, like that. So without wasting time, let's move to our Linux screen. So let me zoom my screen so you can able to see the things. Okay, so as we have told that we are checking the Linux file permission in this. So let's see. I have created some files. Okay, so let me create one file again to see, okay, to show you how it works. So as you can see, okay, I have created a file text.txt using the touch command, that is empty file. Okay, so you can see by default it's having some permissions, right? Read and write permission, read and write permission. This is for the owner, this is for group, and this is the other. Okay, so the first name that you are seeing, it is a vagrant. Okay, so this is the owner of this file and it is defined in a group. Okay, vagrant is the group again. Okay, so let's see, I need to change the owner for this file. Okay, so I will use change own, then my owner that I want to for this file, then the file name. If you see, okay, the command, okay, is not run. Okay, you see the operation not permitted. So why this message we got? Because for changing any ownership, any owner group, okay, we need to be a sudo, as the sudo. You must be a highest privilege to make those changes. Otherwise, the changes will not be made. Now you can see that it has been run successfully, right? So we can list now you can see the owner has been changed to root. Okay. However, group is the same, right? So might be a typo. Let's try like that. So upper side, I have a typo, right? I have added the double colon. That's why. So if I go to check, now I can see my file is having both. User owner is the root and the group as well as root. Now I want to change some permission on this file, right? You can see we have the permission read write, and read only permission for other user. Okay, so again, change mode. I need to give the permission. I'm using the numeric, okay, numeric version for giving the permission. Let's see, test.txt. You see that operation is not permitted. It is because of the missing of sudo. So we are good now. Grab test.txt. Now you can see that we have the permission. Okay, let's understand what's the permission we have given. The 7 stand for all permission, right? Read, write, and execute. Okay. After that, it is given to the owner. Owner has the full access, right? For the group, we define 5. That is read and execute. Access stand for execute. And the same we have defined for other user. Okay. So we are seeing this kind of permission. Let's suppose I have to make the changes and provide complete access to user and group. So we can run this command and you can now see that user is also having the read write execute permission. Group is also having the read write permission and this. Okay. So that's how we change the permissions. So I hope it's clear to you how we are changing the files permissions. Okay, let's move to upper folder and let me clear the screen again. So in the Linux command, I have 2 directories, right? Now, if I have to change the something in the directory permission, I will run the same command. Change one. Let me make it root to the Linux. Right now, if you can see, Linux has been changed to the root and root. Now I have to change some permission, right? I want permission 755. Okay, so sudo change mode 755 to Linux. So now you can see the permission changes for Linux. Previously, it was having group is having a full access, root right, okay, and owner also having the same access. So currently, owner having the same access, right? That is 757 complete access, and group only having the read and execute. So I hope you get a basic understanding of how we can provide the permissions to the files and folders in Linux. Okay, I'm hoping you are all doing well and progressing on these commands. Okay, if you face any issues, just ping me on the comment and I will provide you the solution. Keep learning, and we will meet you in the next video with some new commands on this series. Thanks till then. Happy learning.